Welcome to WordPress Monster. In this tutorial we are going to learn the difference between page margin and padding. We are going to create a new page here. I'm naming it padding and margin. Add it with Elementor. First of all, I will set the page as Elementor full width from here and save as draft. Now I'm going to place my first section here. Click the plus button and place the full width section. Now select your section, right click and edit section, style, background, give it a background color for you to easily understand everything. Now 1 minute, you can't see it there because this is empty. When this is empty, this will look like a bar. Now I am going to press the plus button and place a text box inside. This one, text editor. See it in action now. This is the full width section here. The margins are, top margin is set to 0. This is full width. Left and right both are 0. Bottom is 0 because my footer is right here. So what I'm going to do is, first of all I'm going to change the text color to white. Click the pencil if you haven't done yet. Style, typography, here it is, text color, change it to white. Good. Now what I'm going to do is, this text box I'm giving it a background color. Let's say I'm going to advanced background color. I'm giving it a light gray, something like that. Now see the effect. Save the page as draft. See the effect. This is your main section and this is your text box inside the section. Now we will be learning how the margins and the paddings works on a text box. Here you need to make sure you have your text box selected. So again I'm going to click the right click on the pencil and edit text editor. I'm already in, but I'm just making sure. Going to advanced again. This is margin at top and at the second number I have paddings. So first of all we are going to see the paddings for this text box. By default these 4 sides are linked together. See here, link values together. This means whatever value I give in the first box will be applied to all. See the effect now. Put 0 here to undo the changes. What you need to do is unlink these 4 first of all. Click here. Now they are unlinked. Now you want to lower the text. You want to bring your text down. You will give top padding. See the effect. I have given them the colors just to show you the effects, actually what effects are happening here. Now I am giving the top margin of 100. My text is right at the bottom. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to bring this text in the center, so I will give bottom padding of 100. My text is now in the middle, but my text starts from very beginning of the column. So what I need to do is I need to move it slightly to the right. So what I need to do here is right margin I can set to 50. Not this works inverse, right works for the left, actually, like that. You can do it 100 from here, like that. Now your text has moved to the right. Next, what we are going to do is we are going to check the left margin. If I want to shrink the text from both sides, I will use both, like 200 here and 200 from here. My text inside is shrinking, like let's see, 300 and 300. This is now shrink. This way we do the paddings. Next comes is the margin for this text box. I'm going to show you the margin. I'm not unlinking, I'm just going to play around, see what happens. This blue line indicates the text box, but the content inside is shrinking actually when I'm using the margin. Why? Because the margin is the space outside and padding is the space inside. Padding works inside a box and margin works outside. See here, the effect is outside, not inside. This is shrinking, getting smaller and smaller, right? Now what I am going to do is, if I want to bring the entire text box down, unlink, top padding of 200. See here, my main section is there, but my text box has gone down. If I want to bring this text box right in the middle, what I need to do is I will give the exact same margin from the bottom. See here, both ways this is same. If I want to shrink the sides, I will use 100 from both sides. Now we can do one more thing here, which is this text box, these ones we can remove. Now this is left here. I'm going to give this some paddings. This is looking bad. Left, no, 50 is better. Somehow 60, let's see. No, this will be 100, right? Yeah, this is looking okay now. And what I'm going to do next is create